Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today, Ann's driving out of their original book.
The Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease Cookbook.
Nope.
Oh, I mean book. And it came out in 2007. And this has recipes that we started making in 1980.
17.
Yeah, a century ago. And what I'm doing today is one of our favorite first recipes, and I want to read you what I wrote about it. This is the quickest black bean salad. We could eat this for every meal in summer, even breakfast. It is the salad I make when I have to take a dish to an event because it is so quick to assemble. Everyone comes back for seconds, and it is the best advertisement for delicious, no-oil eating. It is easy to expand by adding more tomatoes or frozen corn. As always, use lots of cilantro. And
If you like cilantro.
well, oh no, everybody likes cilantro.
Oh, she's such a bully for good.
So,
oh, I lost the page.
it starts with 1 can of black beans. I always get no salt added. Why insidiously add salt in anything that you don't need it in? So, the key thing about adding your black beans is you have to rinse them first because it keeps this salad from looking gray. So rinse them no matter whether there's salt added or not. And so I have rinsed this can of black beans. And Jane, while I am doing that, I wonder if you would cut a large tomato, or else you can have a couple of smaller ones.
Okay, I'm just going to do just a large dice. You say chopped.
Yes,
so chopped.
And then I am putting in a can of sliced water chestnuts. And again, I have rinsed these. These come without added sodium, so this adds a lovely crunch. And if you haven't eaten water chestnuts, start eating them because
Can
they're
I make a
terrific.
comment about water chestnuts?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Water chestnuts are I like eating water with the package on still. It's just like a bubble wrapped water. It's just you don't know why you're crunching, but you are. It's sort of hilarious.
And this is half of a chopped up Vidalia onion, and it's a sweet onion and so that goes in here. And
This
Jane,
tomato is not one of your favorites, Mommy. It's a little bit spongier than usual.
well, a spongy tomato will be just fine in here. And then I'm going to put in a whole bag of frozen corn. This is just literally frozen, and I've thawed it a little bit. And then I am going to put in Jane's
Tomato?
chopped tomato. And while I'm adding the chopped tomato, Jane, will you start chopping
This
the
whole head?
Do the whole head. And into here go all these tomatoes. And one of the crazy things that I've discovered is that when you use tomatoes in something, and the only dressing that I'm going to put in here is some lemon and some balsamic vinegar. And somehow the combination of balsamic vinegar and tomato and a little lemon makes a really good dressing.
It's an alchemy of
And you can
acid. Acidic alchemy. That sounds almost like the name of a rock band.
Good job, Jane.
Here. I've trained
So
under the
look
master.
at that. I mean, look at that.
Look at that.
And then I'm going to mix this up and add in 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar.
This is a quick rice.
I mean, this is so cool because you don't have a lot of chopping, and it's just, I tell you, it's so good. And when the leftovers come, one of the things I've found is that it may feel like it needs something, just add a little more balsamic vinegar.
Acid's always the answer.
And Jane, would
with
you,
the acid
I think
queen.
we need, I do believe, is there a,
Lime zest and lime juice. Did we do?
it's lime, it's the lime. So would you do lime and lime?
Lime.
Yeah.
Oh, we had a lemon sitting out. Okay, lime zest and.
And now, if you want to expand this, add more tomato, add more corn, add more black beans. But right now,
Or water chestnuts.
it's just really delicious. And I can only tell you, I have found so many people liking it that it's a good gateway into somebody discovering that plant-based with no oil is fabulous.
I had a question. If
Could you
some
squeeze
people,
some lime in now?
Some people really do feel like
If you don't want cilantro, then you can put parsley. You could chop up arugula.
I think
and stick it
basil might
in.
even be good.
Yeah,
It would change
what,
the- it would change
what,
the-
why I think it's important to put a lot of cilantro is that it keeps you feeling like you've got your nice greens in here.
It is like it's almost like a bunch of kale. The amount of
Yeah,
cilantro.
I mean, I suppose you could chop up kale. So this,
But a flavorful, like an herbaceous option is good.
this is my beautiful black bean salad that is just a time saver, a life saver, and all delicious.
So before we say goodbye, can you?
I don't want to say goodbye because I just think it's so. You know, actually, I think we could have added more tomatoes, and I do
have.
find that tomatoes make a difference.
I want to take a taste, and I'm going to use a spoon so I get a little bit of everything. You want to take a taste too?
Sure,
Here's a big spoon.
I want a big spoon.
That's like a serving spoon. So this could be eaten just as a salad, like a side salad kind of thing, or you could have it in a pita, or you could have it in a cup, you know, like a little
Red lentil wrap.
or in a red lentil wrap.
And you can keep adding. I would say add lime, add vinegar, as
That's
you want.
amazing.
It was so good. Excuse me. Oh,
Here,
and
Wade.
it should sit a little bit. Now, if we give it to Wade, for gosh sakes, he's going to want to put
I was thinking
sriracha on it.
Oh, that's a good thought. Wade was just saying he'd like to have it with some jalapenos in here that should totally fit the flavor profile.
Wait, give you a water chestnut on
Have you ever had water chestnut?
I don't know.
Oh, you're gonna love it. It's a little wheat crunch. It's like a bubble wrap piece of water. It's a bubble wrap.
Oh,
Isn't that crazy?
That good?
oh yeah.
He said, oh yeah. All right, awesome. All right.
I am so in love with my salad.
And there's cilantro flying off you like little explosions. So this is called the quickest black bean salad, and for a second time, I'm gonna make sure people understand this is from the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease book. This is not from our cookbook. It's from the original book my parents did in 2007. Okay,
Well,
so enjoy it. Let us know if you add jalapenos to yours. And ha cha cha.
Bye.